In Colorado, we believe that every community deserves to feel safe, supported, and connected. The Colorado Division of Criminal Justice is leading these efforts in Pueblo, Colorado, with vital funding through the Multidisciplinary Crime Prevention through Crisis Intervention Grant. A safer Colorado starts with an investment in its people. The Multidisciplinary Crime Prevention and Crisis Intervention Grant is a state-funded program aimed to address the root causes of crime. The grant supports initiatives that combine crime prevention with crisis intervention strategies, particularly in communities facing high levels of crime, substance abuse, and mental health issues.
Through the Crime Prevention Grant, we've been able to build this 14,000 square foot wellness center, and it is a center for the entire community, not just people who are using drugs, which we do have and provide all those resources, and have been able to bring in testing services for HIV and Hep C. We have access to direct providers within the building. So there will be an urgent care, there will be a methadone clinic, and there's going to be medication-assisted treatment providers, as well as some behavioral health providers. So when a person walks in our doors, they're going to be able to basically have a one-stop shop.
Imagine a space where individuals facing the toughest battles, substance use, unemployment, and homelessness, can find support. This grant is not just about providing funding, it's about transforming communities. These funds are supporting the Southern Colorado Harm Reduction Association to build a hub of hope, a place where people can access healthcare, mental health services, fresh food, and educational programs, all under one roof.
The Crime Prevention Grant has been able to give us the opportunity to set up the systems needed to outreach not just to the folks that are vulnerable and marginalized in our community, but also to the general community. For example, we have a wellness piece that will be in-house, and several providers of yoga, meditation, AccuDetox providers will all be in-house, and those services are all free to anybody in the community.
Harm reduction is giving someone a second chance. It's ensuring that a person struggling with addiction has access to clean syringes so they don't have to battle diseases like HIV or hepatitis. It's about safe spaces where someone can access naloxone and save a life from overdose. It's about hope. Hope that recovery is possible, that dignity can be restored, and that everyone deserves a chance to rewrite their story.
We don't necessarily lead people anywhere. We tell them what their options are, and they choose. Because when they do that, they are invested in their own health care. And that creates that accountability to self, which empowers people. We've seen it. They've come back to this community. They've been reunited with their families, their children. They're now working and providing for their families and loved ones, and also becoming a working class individual, which stimulates the economy in Pueblo.
Data show that when we address the root causes of crime with the right resources, support, and funding, our communities, individuals, and families have a higher rate of successfully recovering and rebuilding. At the Colorado Division of Criminal Justice, one of our many responsibilities includes administering federal and state grant dollars. Governor Polis and the legislature have supported a wide variety of public safety initiatives to improve the outcomes for all who call Colorado home. This facility was made possible, in part, by the Multidisciplinary Crime Prevention and Crisis Intervention Grant. Learn more about the grants, programs, and services the Colorado Division of Criminal Justice offers Colorado communities. Visit us online.